this went out in an earlier video, one of the difficulties is you can't see anything. You can't read what it says. And I'm hoping that by cleaning it, we're able to see the words come out in relief. If you notice, it's in the shadow, and you can't see these words, but you can see a shield. There's a shield here. This is an older headstone. The shield shows that. We're going to knock down some of this here, and then we're going to try it out. It's an older one. It's marble. And like the other ones, what we'll do is we're going to spray it with D2, and then we'll see what happens in a week. So right now it's a pretty rough shape. Seen worse though, actually. Seen worse. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Real noisy. One of the things I'd like just to bring to your attention is that before I did this, I did get permission from the cemetery to do it. So cleaning, generally speaking, you don't have a problem. But when you're applying D2 or some of the other cleaning agents, you do need permission from the cemetery. Since I've already gotten permission from the cemetery, I'm good to go. If you choose to do this yourself, you need to do that. Otherwise, don't do it.